Look at these guys. Here they are. Right up close again. Two of them. What are they? Brothers. Look at that. Well, they're just hanging out. Well, it's not five of them today. It's only two. Yeah. I don't know how close they'll let me get. Look at that. Yeah, we're close enough to get them right up there. Nice little things. Yes, they are. Check it out. Big brother, little brother. Boy, y'all just don't know. Yeah, you got to get out here and come live some of this life. You'll be loving it. Mm-hmm. We just never know what we're going to run into, but apparently these live around here and they're used to people. Look at them. Boy, they almost look like statues, don't they? Get out of here. Yeah, people just walking all around them. Mm-hmm. Now, I don't know if they'll come, after you if you get like too close, so I gotta watch them. I ain't been around them a lot. I've been around them a couple of parks. Yeah. Hmm. They're awesome. I was seeing them five yesterday was something all at one time. All right, well, I'm sure we'll get them some more. Be sure and subscribe, y'all.